Alright, so on the back of your Shimano Derailleur, you have two limit adjusting screws. The top one is for the small gears. The bottom one is for big gear. So right now, if I look, I can't shift it down into the small gear. This limit screw, if I back it off a little bit, now it goes down to small gear. Okay? When I bring it up to the big gear, see how it overshoots it? This one is for the big gear. And you can actually see the derailleur move when I limit it like that. So I put it like there. That's where it needs to be, no further than that. That way it won't fall off of the big gear. So what that limit adjuster does is it stops it from going off this way, and it stops it from going off that way. That's how you adjust your limits. You can do it, you don't even need to shift the bike. You just push the derailleur. And if it pushes it off of there, it's the bottom screw. And if it doesn't make it to here, or if it comes this way too much, it's the top screw. There you go.